Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Today we are tackling a critical question for digital health innovators looking at the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Is a Medical Device Marketing Authorization, or MDMA, needed for software as a medical device, known as SaMD? The answer is an unequivocal yes. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, has a mature regulatory framework that clearly defines SaMD as a medical device subject to the same rigorous oversight as physical hardware. This means your software, whether it's a diagnostic app, a therapeutic platform, or a clinical decision support tool, requires an MDMA before it can be legally marketed in the KSA. The SFDA aligns its SaMD regulations closely with the guidelines from the International Medical Device Regulators Forum, or IMDRF. This involves a risk-based classification system, sorting SaMD into 4 categories, from Class A for the lowest risk to Class D for the highest. For instance, a simple app that monitors general wellness might be Class A. However, an AI algorithm that analyzes MRI scans to detect tumors would likely be Class C or D, requiring a much more comprehensive technical dossier and clinical evidence. A common pitfall for manufacturers is underestimating their product's classification, leading to incomplete submissions and costly delays. Let's walk through a practical example. Imagine a European company has developed an AI-powered SaMD for diabetic retinopathy screening, and it already has a CE mark. To enter the Saudi market, they cannot simply start selling. First, they must appoint a local Saudi-based Authorized Representative, or AR. This AR is legally responsible for the product within the KSA. Next, the company must compile a detailed technical file specifically for the SFDA, which includes everything from software validation and cybersecurity protocols to clinical data and labeling in Arabic. A crucial point is that while the SFDA recognizes approvals from reference markets like the EU or the USA, this does not grant an automatic pass. It serves as a strong foundation, but the full MDMA application must still be submitted and reviewed through the SFDA's electronic system, GAD. Only after the SFDA has reviewed the entire submission and issued the MDMA certificate can the product be commercialized. Navigating this landscape requires deep local expertise. The process is detailed, and any misstep can set your market entry back by months. If you are looking to bring your medtech innovation to Saudi Arabia or other markets in the MENA region, understanding these regulatory pathways is the first step to success. For expert guidance on everything from market strategy to post-market surveillance, you can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.